This is the case of a patient with ischemic cardiomyopathy implanted with a single lead ICD. This patient demonstrated multiple episodes of paroxysmal atrial fibrillation. This episode has been diagnosed by the device as SVT, atrial fibrillation. On the plots, you can see very short and irregular cycle in the atrial channel, hence a conducted irregular rhythm at the level of the ventricle. Some of the cycles are outside the VT zone and are classified VS. This is an important specificity of the Medtronic devices, but for the VT count, every of these cycles classified VS will reset the counter to 0. Then there is a stabilization of the rhythm. The VT count is reached, but no therapy is delivered since the PR logic algorithm has diagnosed an episode of conducted atrial fibrillation. This tracing is really demonstrative about the interest of the VT count in Medtronic devices to avoid the delivery of inappropriate therapies in patients with fast conducted atrial fibrillation. Indeed, the VT count requires consecutive cycles in the VT zone. Every long cycle classified VS will reset to 0 the VT counter, and then if the atrial fibrillation is irregular, if there are some long cycles without any supplementary discrimination, the VT counter will never be reached and no therapy, inappropriate therapy, will be delivered. The specificity of the tracing here is that there is a stabilization of the rhythm, and then the VT count is reached. Then you need a supplementary discrimination. With the PR logic diagnoses a conducted atrial fibrillation, and then no therapy is delivered. So once more, this tracing demonstrates the major interests of the functioning of the VT count to decrease the amounts of inappropriate therapy in case of conducted atrial fibrillation.